You said spam L Kid. L Kid though, nigga. What's wrong with you, bro? L Kid. You know what I'm saying? All right, nah. All right, let's get it though. He really do look like Spot him, got him.
The evidence is going to show.
Here we go. The evidence is gonna show what, my nigga?
That we are under some of the most vicious.
What are you talking about? Why is this nigga so serious? Well, nigga, you're on trial for double murder, so I can understand. But damn, look at this nigga fabricating, fictitious.
You ever seen.
Do y'all think he can spell fictitious? Facts. My left ear dying. Nah, facts. Y'all think he can spell fictitious?
It's all said and done. You will see who is the mass murderer.
Nigga, you are. Peep this nigga's teeth, though. Peep this nigga's teeth.
Tampa Bay.
Tampon Bay. That's where he gonna have to live at.
Florida.
Yo, peep this nigga's teeth, bro. The nigga, dog, he got piranha teeth. Yo, bro, he got the teeth of a badass fucking 4-year-old nigga. Yo, bro, look at this nigga's teeth, bro. The nigga look like a toddler as it is. He look like Spot him, got him, but nigga, look at this nigga's teeth, bro. I can't take him serious with that Bart Simpson. Yo, I can't take this thing. Yo, bro, nigga think he is saying, bro.
Why? What occurred on March 18, 2018 occurred.
Make sure the volume all the way up how it is.
And the evidence is going to show.
Once he started yelling, you already knew it was over. That's what I'm saying. The evidence gonna show what, my nigga? Yo, look at her face! Look at her face! Look at her face! She was even looking like, yo, look at this nigga! Look at this nigga! Even this nigga like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga? Look at this nigga's forehead, bro. My shit is shiny, but goddamn. But nigga, yo, look at this nigga's face, bro. He got a mask on. You can tell this nigga done with this nigga bullshit. Peep her, though. Peep her. Peep her. Peep her. Peep her. Peep the judge. Nigga, y'all see how she was trying not to laugh? Peep. Nigga. Yo, hold on. Let me get y'all out the way. Y'all can get a screenshot. Anybody need a screenshot? There you go. Anybody need a screenshot? There you go. Meme that. Go ahead, meme that. Meme that. Y'all got him. Meme that. Meme that. Meme that. Meme that right there. There you go. All right. You know what I'm saying? Meme that. All right. Look at her face, though. Yo, bro, why she look like a fucking teacher in fucking Hogwarts, nigga? You know what I'm saying?
That law enforcement tampered with evidence to meet their such high burden of proof.
Can y'all hear it good?
Because originally, it wasn't enough.
What wasn't enough? Kodak whack.
We had to tamper with evidence. Since it was such evident already, but we still had to tamper with evidence.
It sounds like this nigga trying to give a speech. That's why I was really convincing. He really just sounds like he's trying to give a speech. My nigga, if you had a nigga on his I have a dream vibes, bro. Calm yourself.
It's going to show. My son did not see me murder his mom.
Oh, he didn't see you, but you did it though. The nigga looked guilty.
The evidence is going to show. He did not see me shoot his mom.
But I did it. He just didn't see it.
The evidence is going to show. My son said many things that are not true.
I couldn't imagine this, bro.
The evidence is going to show that I called 911 during Kenyatta Barron's.
Nigga said we can't hear it. Bro, I have it all the way up. Y'all, nigga, I'm exactly the same way as y'all. I'm literally sitting here with this shit as high as it can possibly go. I'm listening to it just like y'all, bro. Nigga, this shit is not, it's just not that loud. Bro, this shit ain't that loud even in my headphones, my nigga.
911 call. But all of a sudden, it ends up after I called Kenyatta, after Kenyatta Barron's call was made. Now I'm calling 911.
They call him Russell Westbrook.
But originally, I called 911 without even knowing she called 911.
What is this nigga?
But the evidence is going to show that your representatives and law enforcement, local law enforcement, wanted to make it seem like I'm some kind of menace to society.
You are. Committed double murder.
I ran after killing Kenyatta Barron, knowing that authority was on the way to kill my own children. I wonder why I would do something like that.
My nigga Chuck JJ gonna say Daquan got the cricket-based headphones.
For no reason. And I'm standing here competent as can be, representing myself. Today.
Why would you represent yourself? You could have gotten a pro bono lawyer. Even a public defender would have did better than this. Would have done better than this. I apologize.
The evidence is going to show.
Nigga S1 Carter said me trying to get out of detention.
My son did not witness me viciously beat his mom to death. The evidence is going to show.
What is the evidence going to show, my nigga?
My neighbor, Khalil Brown, whom they are trying to keep out of this trial, witnessed me take 3 strikes.
What? Nigga, you in your third one now. Now you going to jail, my nigga. I hate Florida dreads.
This is going to show
He's called the Wicks.
that law enforcement
This nigga Itami said, this guy must be innocent. Yo,
and this
nigga said, damn, this guy must be
administration
innocent.
wanted to make me look like a menace to society.
This dude really chose to DIY his court representation apparatus. That's what I'm saying.
Several many strikes on
Several-
that video and audio that you just heard. And they added several statements that I did not say.
What are they at, my nigga? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know, bro. Let us know, bro.
Anything that I may have said,
He talked his way into 200 years.
exacerbated it,
They masturbated.
made me say it consecutively over and over like Allahu Akbar.
Like a what? Like a lion?
I
Did he?
may have said once or twice, but they wanted to make me seem like a terrorist.
This nigga Eddie said me trying to explain why I have big booty warriors in my internet history.
And so you hear it 8 or 9 times,
Big booty warriors.
and you hear me calling Kenyatta Barron a bitch and a whore.
He just stalling his time out of jail.
Evidence
That's what it seemed like.
going to show.
The evidence showed that you killed them, nigga. I can't wait to get to the evidence.
That I called my dad.
Nigga said this is a YouTube apology.
Calling 911.
He called his dad after calling 911. He got a Burger King crown on. Yo.
But that call is all of a sudden missing from the T-Mobile records that we have acquired from T-Mobile.
That we. Nigga, you did.
911 call that I made to 911 and the 911 call that you just heard cannot be proven that it was made because after I called for an investigation of those 911 calls, all of a sudden they become missing from all evidence.
Tranquil, I just made my Demon Slayer movie review like a month ago.
Evidence is going to show Kenyatta Barron supposedly made a 911 call, but you cannot find that on her call log, which we pulled from her actual phone. They say she made a call at 11:43.
Nigga said he want to be
There's
Goku.
no 911 call at 11:43 on her call log.
I don't get how these niggas get to be in suits. Like, maybe my trial wasn't big enough or something like that, nigga. I never got a chance to be in a suit, bruh. When I went to trial, nigga, I had to go on my fucking jail jumper, nigga.
Sudden, after I called for an investigation
This nigga Thought Sweeper said he got a Corsola on his head.
I look alone,
A fucking Corsola.
but I am backed by a mighty God.
Real talk, did he kill his wife or not? YouTube is trying to reach the 10-minute mark. Yo, facts.
Evidence is going to show I love my children.
Loved. Until you killed him. Until you killed him.
And the evidence is going to prove to you
What are they going to prove?
that this whole entire case has been tampered with and fabricated.
Shot my nigga Mr. Slammed him with the $50 donation.
Before it's all said and done.
Now I understand why Freezer wiped out the sand race. Look at this nigga.
I can guarantee you that.
Thank you, my nigga. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you too, Thought Sweeper. You know what I'm saying? The $5 donation.
My word.
He did kill her. Nah, he did. He got proven guilty, but we're gonna see why though.
The evidence is going to show that they say, I said, come out here, son, and help me kill this bitch.
Yo! My bad. I'm not trying to laugh at that. It was
My neighbor,
the fact this nigga said that. Like,
Brown, nor my neighbor, Mona Lisa Brothers, Gray,
what the fuck?
or any of her children, Mia Thompson, or Gracie Diggs, or Mr. Gray, heard me say any of
She really don't believe a damn thing he's saying. That smirk says it all.
those things. In fact, the evidence is going to show that Khalil
The judge is waiting to say this nigga guilty.
Brown heard me say she killed me twice and then nothing else. The CRA is going to show. For some of you who don't know what that is, that's the criminal report affidavit that the law enforcement lead detective Thomas Sturks is the author of.
She's not even looking his way.
Evidence will show that in that CRA, I told the neighbor, don't come outside. Call 911 now. But you don't hear that on this audio for some reason. But you hear all these other things that I did not say.
How can that doesn't make any sense? My nigga, this nigga just said, you hear these things I did not say. What the fuck are you talking about? How can we hear something you didn't say?
That same CRA will have the statements of Khalil Brown saying that he saw me.
They literally have it recorded.
With that shotgun. And nothing else.
Yo, this nigga Nathan said, I am Kira vibes intensifies. Bruh. Nigga said, I am Kira. You shot my nigga Thug Nasty with the $10 donation. I already made a meme of this Bama Wild.
Show that Mr.
You got to see that.
Holmes here says that big chunk missing out of her arm was a bird shot.
I hate this
It
nigga,
was
bro.
not a bird shot.
It was not a bird shot. What was it then, nigga? What was it? Because you know, because you did it.
And whatever kind of shot it was, if it was a slug shot or a bird shot, where's the missing pieces of her arm?
I hate this nigga.
Evidence is going to show you will not see any missing pieces of her arm in that closet where she was shot.
I was about to say, why did it pause like that? Okay.
You should see some evidence of
Oh.
at her head. That's what the evidence is going to show.
I'm gonna do minimal pausing on this because I want this shit to play all the way through so we can get to the next thing too. I'm surprised nobody objects or anything. They're just letting this nigga talk.
Remember I told you the evidence will not show you
I want to see this nigga yell at his kid. I'm not gonna lie.
his mom.
Where did he yell at his kid?
In fact, he didn't witness much at all. And the evidence will show that my son said my dad shot my mom. It's the correct statement.
Because they know he capping. Yo, facts.
If you want to cite statements, if he even said it.
Oh, yeah, during his opening statement, they have to. Yeah, you're right. Look at this nigga's face. You can just tell he did it.
Because I can guarantee you, the evidence is going to show you we are under the most corrupt administration you've ever seen in your life.
Project Pain, yeah, that's because of this. I have the volume all the way up on here and OBS. It's hard for me to hear it too, also.
I wouldn't waste your time. I would have already took a plea deal of some kind if I knew I did something like this.
All the theatrics is what makes him seem guilty. All of this entire
Most people
speech.
don't even go to trial when they know they killed somebody.
Nah, some people do because they think they can get off.
The evidence is going to show you who the killers are.
So who the fuck killed him then? If you have so much evidence, nigga, who the fuck did it? You keeping this up, bruh? As of now, I can. But when we get to the part about this cancel culture thing, I don't know. Because I'm probably going to say some wild shit. I'm not even going to lie to you. She don't believe a word. Look. She don't believe a word this nigga talking about. She don't believe shit this nigga got to say. Nigga, what? Would y'all, though? Would y'all? Keep it a band. Keep it a band. We don't know what she, we don't but would y'all? Would y'all? The cougar right there. And she a judge. Y'all know she got the bread. She got the bread, bro. Would y'all? Sugar mama, would y'all do it? I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I'm pleading not guilty.
Shit, Gilf. Y'all, if we true Gilf kill niggas, we would.
Attempted murder, aggravated child abuse or battery, arson, resisting arrest without violence. And while I'm at that, the evidence is going to show that they tased me for no reason,
They tased you.
but they tampered with that video because they didn't want you to know the truth. And it might sound far-fetched.
Puddles on the
but I
couch.
guarantee you,
We real Gilf kill niggas over here. Y'all know how we go, bro. Nigga said I gotta see the body.
who the liars
Which
are
one?
Before it's all said and done, mark my words. Because my family lives were taken.
By you. My family's lives were taken by you, nigga.
When my daughter was done, this is what the evidence will show. When my daughter was born, it was me who gave the command to find the final command to keep her alive when she was on life support. When she was born, 2 pounds, 2 ounces, and couldn't breathe on her own. It was me who fought to keep her alive. But all of a sudden, I just want to take her life.
Y'all really think this guy's guilty? Get real. He gotta be innocent. He gotta be. With this type of argument, he gotta be. This is such a convincing argument. Nigga said, this nigga Antonio just said it was the voices. It was Lil Durk. It was the voice. The voice told him to do it. Lil Durk.
Because I acted in self-defense and moved to protect myself and my children from Kenyatta Barron. I'm going to be showing with evidence several reasonable reasons to doubt the state's allegations against me.
Yeah, he definitely did it.
The evidence will show that the state cannot prove that I premeditatedly killed anyone because I didn't have any time to reflect or plot and plan as if everything happened.
He can't even finish.
suddenly and spontaneous. I responded out of pure instinct and heat of passion.
Nigga said Westbrook really fell off.
Eliminated
Nigga kind of do look
any
like Russell
kind
Westbrook
of
though.
Premeditated design. And let me just say, the evidence will show that since the state plans to kill me, if they can say that I killed my family unjustly, they plan to premeditatedly kill me,
Like you premeditatedly killed them.
so they cannot say or deny me the right to premeditatedly kill Kenyatta Barron if she killed my children.
Did y'all just hear this nigga? Did y'all just hear this nigga? Bro, did y'all just hear this nigga? Bro, the nigga literally just told on himself. Did y'all just hear this nigga? Did y'all just hear what this nigga just said? They can't deny you the right to premeditatedly kill your wife after she killed your daughter. Nigga, are you that stupid? The nigga literally just told on himself. Are you that fucking stupid? Did y'all hear that? The fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? The nigga... What? They can't deny you the right?
They plan to premeditatedly kill me,
Listen to this.
so they cannot say or deny me the right to premeditatedly kill Kenyatta Barron if she killed my children.
Nigga. What? The fuck is this nigga talking about? What? That's all I needed to hear. What's the point of a trial after that? There's literally no trial, my nigga. That's it. You done. You're done.
Evidence will show that Kenyatta Barron had several medications and drugs such as morphine in her system. The evidence will show she had a domestic history
He definitely should have played the fifth.
and was arrested for domestic violence that same year.
Excuse me. This nigga Dimitri said, I see what he trying to say. What? What do you see, bro?
Also was born premature, just like Trinivia.
I'm going to sustain the objection as to that particular argument regarding Miss Barron being born prematurely. All right? You may continue on, Mr. O'Neill.
This nigga said Death Note live action ending.
I didn't even state the basis of his objection.
I've ruled, Mr. O'Neill, okay?
I understand, but I have to state the basis of my objections, right?
Well, that is correct, and I just assume what the objection is. Go ahead, state it.
Nigga really do look like Russell Westbrook, though.
That's sustained.
The evidence will show that she threatened to kill me with a knife just a few weeks before the incident, and she was angry about my relationship with my other child's mom, and about the fact that we had to be cordial for our newborn son.
Nigga said it's good, y'all. He went to Harvard.
And the evidence will show that they have been going back and forth and arguing on Facebook and by telephone that whole afternoon before the incident.
The video volume is so low because the camera zoomed in on him. It's far away from. That's the reason why.
Evidence will show
I can't hear it
that
either.
me and my son was at my mom's house while I
This nigga Cesar Medina said he makes valid points. Explain those valid points, please. We'd love to hear him.
was putting brakes on my aunt's car.
I'd love to hear him. We all would.
Me and my son spent the whole day at my mom and dad's
Where's his lawyer? He wanted to represent himself.
When we came back home, I never knew she was arguing with my child's mom, my other child's mom, the whole day. That's what the evidence will show.
Senka, thank you for that $5 donation. I may have to. We're gonna see. I guess we'll see about it. Nigga said he kind of spitting.
Show that my daughter
He's spitting though.
was prematurely born. She was autistic. My son Ronnie was diagnosed at the age of 3 with developmental delay and had the history of SLD.
DSL, no. It was a nigga in the chat that said DSLs. It had nothing to do with that. A nigga in the chat said something about DSLs.
Also showed that he was present, but does not remember accurately or consistently what happened for many reasons.
Nigga said put a beat over this.
Unreliable when it comes to the actual facts.
Thank you, Nigel Bowman. Thank you, my nigga. What the hell's going on? This nigga's representing himself.
He also has been diagnosed with PTSD.
I know they trolling.
Because this is a very traumatic thing that he went through.
Nigga said this is Goku Black.
He also was diagnosed with major depression disorder, intermittent confusion, and delirium.
I really wish we could hear this a little higher.
The evidence is going to show, the evidence and testimony
Nigga
show
KO.
that Ronnie Blair, formerly known as Ronnie O'Neal IV, may have been coached on what to say by family members
Nigga said all facts, he innocent.
and or law
Wait, hold on. I will overrule the objection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. O'Neal, again, jury, this is what both sides believe the evidence is going to show, all right? And again, you will be the ultimate determiner of what the facts are. You may proceed, Mr. O'Neal.
Nigga said he need to represent EDP.
And
Not facts.
Also, actual facts that Mr. Harmon left out when he told you about the report of his former psychologist. When he told you that he was adopted by his family members, which didn't work out as well, and he had to be placed with another family, which is now the Blair family.
Why we not on
In that
Twitch?
same report, it talked about
Why not Twitch?
how he may have been coached.
Because I don't know how wild this stream is gonna get, but it's gonna get wild as soon as we're done with all of this. So I gotta make sure we do this on YouTube.
By family.
That's why. Because we can wild out on YouTube without getting banned. Yeah, because when we're done with this,
Evidence is going to show that my son was adopted by a detective who formerly worked in this case.
they didn't lock EDP up yet. He need to go to jail though.
Whom he now lives with.
I don't think he's even gonna get jail time, to be honest with you.
And I don't have a problem with that because he needs care. But I do have a problem with Mr. Blair being involved in this case, being called as a witness, being the new father of my son, and now he's being called as a witness when he could possibly have been coached by his new father, who is law enforcement.
All right, and again, Mr. O'Neal, overrule the objection. Again, this is what Mr. O'Neal is asserting the facts will be. You may proceed.
Okay. Motor, that's a fact.
The evidence will show and prove that very vital evidence
I didn't do a 1 year bid.
definitely tampered with, which was a strategic omission to cover up the facts of this case.
I think he said this is who represented Daquan when he did a 1 year bid.
Much more of the evidence unreliable.
Can you take off the do-rag? I never seen your hairline. Fuck no. Fuck you for even asking
As
that.
I know for a fact, it was altered as well.
My hairline was altered as well. Shout out to the judge for actually listening, though. That's what I'm saying, like, for real. Shout out to some dude with the $5 donation.
Evidence is going to show that the not compatible
With.
with what Khalil Brown saw and heard outside
Shout out to Crispy Toast for the $5 donation too.
of my home. The evidence is going to show.
My hairline's
all
not
said
disappearing.
and done,
We got 2 more minutes left.
who put those excessive lacerations on Kenyatta Barron's face. I can guarantee you that. In this trial or the next one, I can guarantee you that.
What if this nigga was innocent? That'd be wild.
Like I said, I look alone, but I'm backed by a mighty God. And ultimately, it will show that none of the state's witnesses can draw any conclusions, especially because they didn't see anything that refutes my self-defense claim and theory. And nor can the state do so beyond their very reasonable doubts that will be revealed. The very reasonable doubts that will be revealed by me.
All right, yeah, it ain't but 5 seconds left. So look, peep this, right? All right. Yeah, he's definitely guilty. But look, peep this. You know what's funny about this thing? Is that just imagine if he was innocent. But this is the thing how it works with trial. This is what I'll never understand about trial and shit like that. Lord, that was a lot to get through, wasn't it? But you already know me, nigga, on a regular. That would have been at least about a good hour and a half, damn near 2 hours to get through 30 minutes of some shit, nigga. Yo, let's clap it up for me. Let's drop the W's in the chat for me for not pausing a lot and for being able to get through that fast enough, y'all. Yo, so look, right? Yo, this is what I don't understand about trial, right? Is the fact that you have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. I'm talking about you have to, definitely jury trials. You have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that someone committed a crime. Yet, people still win on appeals. I will never understand that. Somebody got Jeff Warner with the Jeff Warner.